Hey yo, I'm here with a car confession. Today's topic is UNITY. Hey, UNITY. See, some of y'all a little too young for that. But I want to talk about unity. Dear brothers, dear sisters, dear kings, dear queens, I would love to see us get to a point where we show the world a united front. I understand that we're not going to agree on everything. I understand that there are times when people need to be corrected. But I request of us that we correct and disagree amongst our own away from the public eye. Because when we do that, the public uses those things against us. And it does not help us further our own agenda. So I ask that each of you be mindful of why you reprimand or correct people in public, and that we move as a united front as much as possible. Love you guys. Signing out sincerely. RW. Peace.